Welcome to Belfast Arenacross, 7:30 in the morning. Everybody's down there track walking it. I'm just sitting up here in my wheelchair just watching. Josh is down there with Davy Mulligan. So Davy's looking after him this weekend, taking him to the line, making sure he's all well kitted out and doing the track walking stuff with him. So huge, massive thanks to Davy for doing that and taking time out of his weekend to come and look after Josh. It's gonna be some fun. Those rollers down there don't look so deep from where I'm sitting, but they're at least a metre deep, and the ones over there are quite pointy. It's gonna be some crack watching the kids getting around this track. So really looking forward to seeing them getting on the bikes and seeing what they can do around here. Later on the night, this place is gonna be packed to the gills. So yeah, welcome to Belfast Arenacross 2023. Hey kids, Josh, Jax, he's ready to rock? Yeah.
This video was fun.
Arenacross UK, first round in Belfast. Two very excited wee men over there, ready to rock, ready to ride. Hopefully Joshua's nerves, move this crutch out of the way here. Hopefully Joshua's nerves aren't too bad. He was alright this afternoon when there was no crowd, but it's filling up rightly now. What do you see? Ready to rock. So his wee race is at 8:30, I think. So about an hour and a half to wait for now. So he's well excited. It should be good fun. Should be good fun. Well, Joshy, how was it?
Good.
Good? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Is it different than motocross?
Yeah.
Yeah? Much different? What's that man doing behind you?
He's eating my stuff.
Davy's looking after that wee man for this weekend, doing his daddy a big favour. His daddy can't walk, and they stole my wheelchair because Davy's an old man and got a bus pass and all now apparently. Apparently that qualifies him for to steal a crippled man's wheelchair. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it good crack?
Yeah.
Yeah, good man. How are the wee bikes? What mode did they have it in?
4.
Mode 4? Very good.
Hey Joshua, how's it going? It's Andrew Irwin. Hope you're keeping well. I was watching on Saturday at the Arenacross. You've done a mega job. This is your last year, I think, on a 50, and just keep working hard. Keep trying to improve. Keep watching all those pros and see what way they're doing it, and just try to copy them. I think that's what we all do, no matter what sport we're doing, and you learn from the best. So just keep working hard, keep listening, and definitely the most important thing is to keep having fun and enjoy it. Catch up soon. I'll maybe come and watch you someday. Cheers, mate. I've already been to watch the Odyssey actually, so I'll come watch you again. Cheers.